In this video, we are going to see how ShipHero connector will work with Odoo. So at the time when you install ShipHero app in Odoo, firstly you need to set up configuration. So we have given configuration at warehouse level. So from inventory, configuration and warehouse, you will able to find this checkbox over here. So when you click on this checkbox, you will find this tab over here, which is ShipHero configuration. So when you go to this tab, firstly you need to set API URL and refresh token only. You need to set these two things only. So you will get it from your ShipHero provider, and in your account you will find that thing. After that, you just need to click on generate API token. So it will generate API token and it will set over here. Then after connection or credential is correct, so for that cross check you just need to click on this check connection. So it will check connection, and in return whatever the warehouse is connected, for that warehouse ID will set and warehouse name will set over here. So you can able to see that connection is proper or not. After that, we have given two feature of import, that is import product and import inventory. So prerequisite of import product and import inventory is you have to set same SKU which are available in ShipHero. So for example, if I go to product, in that you have to set same internal reference which are available in ShipHero. So when you click on that import product button, at that time from ShipHero all products will search with Odoo product, and for those product in which SKU will match in that product, ShipHero product ID is get set. So we will only sync the product. We will not create any new product in Odoo. So you can see the operation log. We will manage operation log. So you can able to see that thing also. So when you click on that button, you can able to see ShipHero operation. So in that different type of log will create. So for example, this type of log will create in Odoo. So for example, in our case only one product for which SKU will get matched, so that product is only get sync. Other than that, product is not found in Odoo. Okay. After that, if we go to that product which is acoustic blocks screen, so we go to product and see that. So you can see that ShipHero product ID is get set in this particular product. Okay. After that, for example, if we set different quantity, for example 12. Okay, so in this product right now quantity is 12, and if you import inventory, at that time what happened that in Odoo, in which product ShipHero product ID is set, for those product API call get processed, and for those product inventory will fetch from ShipHero. So we'll click on this import inventory. Okay, now we go to operation. So you can see that import inventory operation, and in that you can see that stock count updated, product name is this, and old quantity is 12 and new quantity is 577. So we go to that product again, and you can see that 577 is updated. So we have given these operations over here to import product and to import inventory, and the main thing is export sale order. So For an example, if we create new sale order and we select that same product which is available in ShipHero, okay, and we set price and quantity, okay, and we have given export ShipHero operation after confirming the sale order. So when you confirming the sale order, you will able to find that button over here. So I confirm this order. Okay, so we have given automation that when you are confirming the sale order, at the same time order will export to ShipHero if the warehouse which is linked with this sale order in this warehouse, that checkbox is enabled. So you can able to see that exported to ShipHero is already enabled, and these ShipHero order number is get attached with this sale order. You can see that order is exported in ShipHero, order number is this, and order ID of ShipHero order is this. So it will set over here. So we given automation to set ShipHero order number as well at the time of confirming sale order. Okay, so these type of operations we given in this connector. Thank you.